In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create AI videos that you could use to do affiliate marketing for the fashion industry. And this is the result of this tutorial.
I've been looking for the perfect dress for months. This one has it all. The fit, the flow, the lightweight fabric. It's the best I've ever had. Link in my profile.
So first of all, we need to go to NovoAds AI. The link of this site is going to be in the comment section. And once you arrive here, you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here. And here you can see the result of the Spanish tutorial that I did. So here you can see that we're going to create an image. And with that image, we're going to create a video. So let's go to the image section. And here we need to go to settings, change the model to GPT Image 2. And here in quality, I prefer to use the medium quality because that way we can do 3 images with the medium quality for the price of 1 image with the high quality. So now we have to click in reference, and here we need to upload an image of our product. In this case is this dress that you can see. Now let's click here. Now here, I'm going to paste the following prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section, and you can modify it as you want. So now let's click here, and now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect, here we have the images, and now we have to choose the one we like the most. Personally, I like this one. So I'm going to click here where it says use as a start frame. And now we have to go to settings. And here in model, I prefer to use Clink 3.0. Now in duration, I'm going to choose 10 seconds because the prompt that I created is for a 10 seconds video. And here I'm going to use the following prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section and you can modify it as you want. So now let's click here and now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 4 minutes. Perfect, here we have the video, so now let's see it.
I've been looking for the perfect dress for months. This one has it all. The fit, the flow, the lightweight fabric. It's the best I've ever had. Link in my profile.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally I like it a lot, the video. It looks realistic, the quality was really good, and personally I like it a lot. So if you want to do a video like this one, you can try this platform for just $1. With that, you will receive 10 credits, and with that, you can create, for example, 2 videos like the one we did, because the cost of this video was only 5 credits. So I recommend you to try the platform. The price is literally less than a coffee. And well, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section and see you in the next video. La plataforma por tan solo $1. Con esto adquieres 10 créditos y para que se hagan una idea, el video que acabamos de hacer, si vamos aquí a video, ajustes, como pueden observar costó 5 créditos. Así que literalmente podrían hacer 2 videos como este. Así que bueno, les recomiendo que como mínimo prueben la plataforma y luego si no les gusta, bueno, cancelan. Y dicho esto, si tienen alguna duda o sugerencia me la pueden hacer saber en la caja de comentarios y nos vemos en el próximo video.